What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my crypto journey. Of course, my name is Rodney. Do me a favor, hit that like button, baby. Push us up in the algorithm. And a lot of people are freaking out, leaving me comments saying, oh my God, Tectonic, rest in peace, rug pull, yada, yada. Guys, what did I say yesterday? If we're having a parabolic run up, you're gonna have a pretty fat pullback. Now, I made a video on where to purchase Tectonic, and what you know, if you go to markets, you can see is that you can only purchase it in a few different places. Now, this is important. Why? Because if it gets other listings on any decentralized exchange or centralized exchange, it's going to be better because more people can buy it. Now, the market cap was at $16 million yesterday. Now, it obviously dunked down to $13 million. The volume has increased, but that could be for better or for worse. And of course, you know, the fully diluted market cap is down 23%. I'm never surprised when I see a large pullback after a parabolic run. And a lot of people are. It's kind of crazy. Now, if you're buying Tectonic because you wanted to make some quick cash or because you're buying the hype, well then, yeah, fine. Maybe you lost because you aped it on a green candle, which you should always be careful of doing. Or maybe you were able to maybe 2x your money. Now, I saw a lot of comments, and let me know in the comment section down below if you made profits. I saw a lot of comments of people saying, hey, yeah, I put some money in Tectonic, I doubled my investment, I took my initial out, and I'm letting the rest ride. If that's the case for you, well then, hey, you actually made some money. Now, I see these comments all the time saying, guys, let me hear it from you. Should I sell or should I wait? Please be honest. Guys, if you're asking us YouTube influencers if you should buy or sell, you can look, we know probably just as much as you guys when it comes to what the heck is going to happen with the entire cryptocurrency market. The fact is, nobody knows. There are some good day traders, but no one can tell the future. Here's the thing. Tectonic is not a new concept. It is a concept that was super popular during the bull run, but we saw a lot of these different protocols, right? Staking and the yield farming and those sorts of things. All these protocols end up failing because they offered insane APY, which means that they were offering insane rewards for staking or providing liquidity, which isn't sustainable, right? It's just not sustainable. What I like about Tectonic is that it's that same thing, right? They're doing the same thing, but they're offering modest yields, which I think is probably the way to win when it comes to getting, you know, a good return on your investment when it comes to staking and yield farming and those sorts of things. I think that's why Tectonic is still here today. And like I mentioned in my other video, look, if you look at the all-time high, when this thing launched during a bull market, this thing, you know, it launched like at the worst time, right? It launched at the tippy top peak FOMO of cryptocurrency, and now it's still, you know, pretty bad. Now, obviously, if you zoom in on this little guy right here, this is just the last like 1 month or so, right? So in the grand scheme of things, if you bought anywhere right here and you're bullish on this project and you're bullish on the future of cryptocurrency, and maybe you're bullish on the fact that it could be listed on some other exchanges, except for, you know, aside from just crypto.com and VVS Finance, maybe they do a bridge where they're on the Ethereum blockchain. Maybe they get listed on maybe like a Binance or like a Coinbase or something like that. You could definitely see this thing start to pump again. So if you're in it for the long run, well then, hey man, DCA, don't really worry about it. Only invest as much as you can afford to lose, right? Because crypto is a huge gamble. Even projects that are not meme coins like Tectonic are still kind of a gamble because they're just like small businesses. Most are going to fail. The few that succeed are going to be, you know, pretty good for a lot of people who get into them early. So if you bought in at all, right here or anywhere after the dump, you're probably going to be sitting pretty if the cryptocurrency market starts to run again. Now, we did see the cryptocurrency market run today, and Tectonic did not run today at all. Why? Well, it was pumping, you know, it was pumping independently of the market. When the market was dumping, it was running up. It was just like Quant. I don't know if you guys remember QNT. QNT had an insane run when the cryptocurrency market was dumping. And you see this little run right here, and people were like wondering why didn't it pump when the rest. It's like sometimes, you know, when these things pump by themselves and the rest of the cryptocurrency market starts running, these things might dump because all of the, you know, day traders got out, all the, you know, the retail investors got out, all the people trying to make their profits got out. But like I said again, if you believe in the future of the project, if you think Tectonic is a good project, which looking at it looks pretty solid, then you shouldn't be worried about this, you know, price volatility in the short term. When things are running, right? When things are running, because of, hype or YouTube, content creators. Because here's the thing about YouTube content creators, guys. When something starts to pump and we start to talk about it, people watch it because it creates FOMO. So what happens is a lot of people that are already in the project end up pulling their profits once it hits like the mainstream cycle, which is probably YouTube or Twitter or something like that, where the hype is like, it's at peak hype. So people tend to sell as soon as it reaches its peak hype. Unfortunately, a lot of people watch these videos and they think, oh, I should just ape all into Tectonic. If you watch my videos, yeah, I like a little bit of hopium, but you got to be honest at the same time. Like I said, at the end of the day, if you're bullish on this product long term, this price is a steal. If you're just trying to make some money, you bought into the green candle and now you're down 23%. I mean, sometimes it's best to cut your losses, but hey, maybe if you hodl, you can make some gains. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.